Did you know a man drew a border that killed up to 2 million people and then spent the rest of his life refusing to talk about it? In 1947, a British lawyer named Cyril Radcliffe was given 5 weeks to divide the Indian subcontinent into 2 nations. He had never set foot in India before. No deep knowledge of the villages, the rivers, the communities that had existed side by side for centuries. He drew the line anyway. When the borders were announced, 15 million people were suddenly on the wrong side. Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs fled in every direction. Trains arrived at stations filled with bodies. Entire neighborhoods burned. Radcliffe watched what followed and made a quiet decision. He burned all his notes. He refused the fee he was owed. And he left India before the borders were even made public. He never gave an interview about it, never explained himself, never defended the work. Some people thought that was cowardice. Others understood it differently. Maybe silence was the only truthful response left to him.